Yes. Well, it's kind of interesting. I was just having a conversation with an acquaintance of mine, and she said, "You know what? I think you might need to call Spencer Ferris. He's a really good attorney, and I think that he'll be able to help you with your situation." And so that's exactly what I did. And, the rest is history. Well, my case, to be very clear, was a extremely complex homeowners claim. I had experienced a domestic violence relationship with my former husband, and my house accidentally caught on fire. And so I needed someone who would represent me against an insurance company and ensure that justice was served in my rather traumatic case. It was a bad faith claim. I'm not sure. Apparently, which this was rather disturbing to me, the state of Missouri actually has a state statute that indicates individuals of domestic violence in fire claims. Oh, I forget what they call it, but there's a particular statute that I fell under because I was an innocent insured. And so even though my ex-spouse at that time was being investigated because I was an innocent insured, I had to fight, obviously, to ensure that I received the justice and additional compensation for my loss. It was a long and arduous process, but I had great representation from Mr. Ferris, and oh my gosh, he fought for me, he fought for my sons, and ensured that we received what was due to us in this case. I would, without a doubt, absolutely recommend this phenomenal law firm. Mr. Ferris, he is responsive. He communicates with you. Anytime I had a question, within 24 hours, most of the time it was less than 24 hours, he had a response. And I, quite frankly, wasn't used to that. I'm thinking, I'll give him till, the middle of the week. And he sent me a response. And Mr. Ferris, during this process, he ensured that I knew the process and didn't sugarcoat any information. Again, this was a rather complex case, and I am overjoyed that I had his level of professionalism and expertise to support my claim. So the team at Spencer Ferris's law firm, you can tell that they work collectively and cohesively together. Every time you called, it was a warm greeting on the phone, and that means a lot. That sets the stage, particularly for rather traumatic experiences as to why you even have to call an attorney. And I would just recommend anyone, if you want someone who is going to fight for you, who is going to be honest, truthful, and represent you well, I strongly recommend this law firm.